The new Hyundai Creta is already a sensation on our roads. But before it was launched, we took a trip to the Hyundai manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu to see exactly how your favorite SUV takes shape. The journey of the ultimate SUV begins at the press shop. Here, huge coils of sheet metal are converted into body panels. A 5,400-ton modular press makes quick work of this process. The new Creta is available with a beautiful, full-length panoramic sunroof, which is perfect to stargaze from. And Hyundai has optimized the process of installing it into the car. The sunroof is fixed to the car from inside the car, which allows for better tolerances. The new Creta is available in 10 colors, including 2 dual-tone colors. The paint process is completely robotically controlled, so the end product comes out looking amazing every time. Once the body reaches the assembly line, the entire car is finally put together and given life. The interior of the car is put together here. The focal point of the interior in the new Hyundai Creta is the driver. The entire dashboard and all the controls are angled slightly towards the driver, allowing for easy access. You truly appreciate this immersive experience on the move. That's not all. With features like cooled seats and automatic climate control, you're bound to be very comfortable inside the new Creta. Next, technicians expertly bolt the powertrain and the body together, along with the suspension and brakes, before finally fixing the wheels to the Creta. Of course, the new car starts effortlessly. It is finally alive. Finally, it's off to the test track where all the cars are tested thoroughly. Every inch of the car is carefully looked over. Only when it passes all inspections does it move to the transport bay. The car is given one last inspection at the dealer before you can get into your new Creta. Now that we have seen how it comes together, it's easy to understand what makes the Creta so brilliant. Everything from its distinctive design, class-leading safety features, connected car features to the powerful engines ensure that the new Hyundai Creta truly is the ultimate SUV.